Okay, in this question we have a bell curve, and this is what we call standard distribution. This is an important concept that is occurring with greater frequency on the new GRE versus the old GRE. Okay, well, what do we know? Well, they tell us that 34%, that is 68% fall into this range, and they call this range, it starts here with M, and then M minus D is here to the left, M plus D to the right. What does this all mean? Well, the mean number of trips is here, 56. And so if you have the standard deviation, which they tell us is 13, you're going to have 43 trips over here, and on this side you're going to have 69 trips. That means, taking these two percentages, you add them together, 68% of the people were from 43 between 69 trips. Now, they only care about the number who were taking between 30 and 43, and you can see that this range here corresponds to the 14%. So, how many subway riders is 14%? Well, we have this important information that there are a total of 800,000 subway riders, and 14% of that is simply our answer. We can use a calculator to get the answer that way, or we can say, well, we have the multiple choice test here. We have 5 answers, and they're spread out enough that we could ballpark. So let's just simply take 15% of 800,000 to make the answer a little bit lower than that. 15% of 800,000, well, 10% of 800,000 is 80,000. 5% of 800,000 is half of that 10%, which gives us 40,000. So you can see there's 15% is simply 120,000. And it has to be a little bit less than that. The only answer that corresponds to is B.